your all right, please check your results. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the free online coaching for POLYCET 2024, sponsored by Jatadhara Education Technology, Hyderabad. I now invite Chandrika ma'am to conduct the session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, students, welcome to free online coaching for POLYCET. So now we will do physical sciences in that chemical bonding chapter. Yes, we know several elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. Yes, they exist only in diatomic molecules. So it was believed that electrostatic forces were the cause of attraction between atoms in a molecule. So diatomic molecules N2, H2O2 ala undali anante. The reason is that there is a electrostatic force where the cause of attraction between atoms in the molecule. So when two atoms come sufficiently close together, when the two atoms come sufficiently close together, the electrons of each atom experience the attractive force of the nucleus of the other atoms. The electrons, when the atoms come together, the electron of one atom gets attracted to the nucleus of the other atom and vice versa. So if attraction is more than repulsion, then atoms combine. If repulsion is more than attraction, then the atoms do not combine. So electrons in valence shell are responsible for the formation of bonds between atoms. So the electrons which are present in valence shell are called valence electrons. So here is one experiment which is done by Humphrey Davy, a professor of chemistry at the Royal Institution in London, constructed a battery of over 250 metallic plates. So in 1807, using electricity from this battery, he was able to extract highly reactive metals like potassium and sodium by electrolysis of fused salts. So the combined NaCl is extracted as potassium and sodium separately by using electrolysis of fused salts. It was seen that the metal part of the compound migrated towards the negative electrode and the non-metal part towards the positive electrode. So it was proposed that metals are responsible for positively charged particles and non-metals are responsible for negatively charged particles. The oppositely charged particles are held together by electrostatic force in a compound. Next, coming to Lewis symbols or structures, dot structures. Just 1 second. So the valence electrons in the atom of an element is depicted in a short form by Lewis symbol or electron dot structure. So prati element ki valence lo any electrons unnai. That means outermost shell, which are responsible to participate in a bonding. So that valence electrons, n electrons unnai element ki anedi by using Lewis symbols or electron dot structure we will be representing. So represent the nucleus and inner shell electrons of the atom by the symbol of the element and electrons in the outer shell by dots or cross marks. So you can see here, this is how we represent the valence electrons. So these are all the inert gases or noble gases which are having 8 electrons in the valence shell, right? That is NS2-NP6 configuration. So He, it is exceptional because it is having only 2 electrons, but it is very stable. And Ne, which is having 8 electrons, Ar 8 electrons. So in this way, we will be representing the dot structure of the valence electrons of the element. Next, coming to electronic theory of valence by Lewis and Kozel. So the basis for their theory was valence in terms of electrons. They provided logical explanation of valence on the basis of the lack of chemical activity of noble gases, which lead to the proposal of octet rule. So here you can see that means to the element to get stable, it has to have an octet rule, right? In the valence shell, if it has an octet rule, then it is stable. So these are the examples. These elements. These are some groups of elements which are losing the electrons to get stable. That means to get an octet in their valence shell. And these are some electrons which are gaining the electrons to get octet configuration in their valency shell. So what is this octet rule? So it may be stated as the atoms of the elements tend to undergo chemical changes that help to leave their atoms with 8 outer shell electrons. So the force of attraction between any two atoms or a group of atoms that results a stable entity is called a chemical bond. So there are many types of chemical bonds, but in this chapter we are going to see about ionic and covalent bond in brief. So firstly, coming to ionic bond. So this was proposed by Causel on the following facts. So ionic bond is formed between atoms of two dissimilar elements due to transfer of electrons from the atom of one element to the other. And they are highly reactive metals like alkali metals and highly non-metals like halogens on the left side and right side of the periodic table respectively. And coming to noble gases, except helium have 8 electrons in the valence shells of their atoms. They are chemically inactive and stable. Okay, they are stable and they will not participate in chemical bonding because already they are stable. So to attain 8 electrons in the outermost shell, similar to noble gases, metal atoms that have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the valence shell generally lose those electrons and forms stable positive ions called cations. And next, coming to formation of ionic bonds, the positive ions and the negative ions that are formed due to the transfer of electrons from the metal atoms to the non-metal atoms experience the electrostatic forces and get attracted to form chemical bond. So as this bond is between charged particles known as ions, it is called ionic bond. So it is mainly because of transfer of ions between two elements, right? So that's why it is nothing but an ionic bond. Sometimes, based on the forces being electrostatic, the bond is also called the electrostatic bond. We will also call this bond as electrostatic bond. As the valence concept has been explained in terms of electrons, it is also called as electrovalent bond. And we can define ionic bond as follows. The electrostatic attractive force that keeps cation and anion are formed from metal atoms and non-metals atoms due to the transfer of electrons together to form a new electrically neutral compound is called ionic bond. Next, coming to covalent bond, it was proposed by G.N. Lewis. Ionic bond by Causel. Covalent bond by G.N. Lewis. The atoms of some elements could achieve an octet in their valence shells without transfer of electrons between them. They can attain octet configuration in their valence shells by sharing the valence electrons with one or more atoms. So the electrons shared between two atoms belong to both the atoms, and the sharing of electrons between them leads to the formation of a chemical bond known as covalent bond. Just one second. And next, coming to the bond lengths and bond energies of covalent bonds. So bond length or bond distance is the equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two atoms which form a covalent bond. It is represented by Nm, which is nanometer, or A, which is nothing but angstrom with units. So bond energy or bond dissociation energy is the energy needed to break a covalent bond between two atoms of a diatomic covalent compound in its gaseous state. And this is about the angstrom. An angstrom is a unit of length equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters or 0.1 nanometer or 100 picometer. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 power minus 9 meter. Next, coming to valence shell electronic pair repulsion theory. So to explain the bond angles in the molecules with 3 or more than 3 atoms with all atoms attached to a central atom through covalent bond, a theory was proposed, nothing but a valence shell electron pair repulsion theory to describe the bond angle between the atoms with the central atom. It is nothing but in the short form VSEPRT, which was proposed by Sidgwick and Powell. It was further improved by Gillespie and Neol. In that, the first example is methane, which is CH4. Its bond angle is 109 degrees, 28 minutes. Yes. Right, this is how it looks. Next, coming to ammonia. This is the ammonia representation, and it is a trigonal pyramidal structure. It is NH3. And here you can see the bond angle, that is 107 degrees, 48. Next, coming to water. It is H2O molecule, and it is V-shaped. It is V-shaped. In the same next coming to valence bond theory. Valence bond theory. So to describe covalent bonding, a quantum mechanical model called valence bond theory has been suggested by Linus Pauling. It is explained as follows. In this, we are having a sigma bond and pi bond. When the atoms get combined with the other atoms by sharing of electrons, then there is a sigma bond and pi bond present in it. So the sigma bond is stronger because the electron pair shared is concentrated more between the two nuclei due to end-to-end or head-on overlap and attracted to both the nuclei. Coming to the pi bond, it is an overlap. This overlap gives a weaker bond due to the lateral overlap of p orbitals, which is not to greater extent. So N2 molecule has a triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. The internuclear axis giving a pi PZ bond. Okay, so O2 molecule has a double bond between two oxygen atoms. Next, coming to valence bond theory hybridization. So hybridization is a phenomena of intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost equal energy, which are present in the outer shells of the atom, and their reshuffling or redistribution into the same number of orbitals. Please check at your end, Sharon. Yes, students, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly visible, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, Sharon, please check at your end. Yes, thank you, students. Yes, hybridization is a phenomenon of intermixing of atomic orbitals of almost equal energy, which are present in the outer shells of the atom, and their reshuffling or redistribution into the same number of orbitals, but with equal properties like energy and shape. In the formation of NH3 molecule, you can see here. So it is having a sp3 hybridization. Next, shape of water molecule. Yes, this is the shape of water molecule. And here, the two sp3 orbitals of O, that is oxygen atom overlap. Okay. So the s orbitals of two hydrogen atoms to give sigma sp3 s bonds due to the lone pair repulsions and lone pair bond pair repulsions. And next, these are the properties of ionic and covalent bonds, students, for different elements, NaCl, HCl, and C2H6. NaCl is having ionic bond and HCl polar covalent bond, C2H6 covalent bond. So you have to go through this table. We will be having questions through this table, in this table. Yes, now ready for the test? Yes, students, are you ready for the test? We just had a brief picture of the topic. Yes. Yes, here comes your first question. The forces that exist between atoms in a molecule is. The force that exists between atoms in a molecule is. Yes, very good, students. Navaneet, please check. It is not gravitational force. Yes, very good. Almost everyone is giving me the right answer. Very good, students. Yes, Akhilesh, Veda, T. Shalini, Ishwant, Veda, T. Sharon, Shiva. Very good, K. Taruni. Yes, it is none other than electrostatic force. Yes, option 3 is absolutely right. Let us move to the next question. Electron dot structures are also called. Yes, very good. Harshateja, Veda, Bhavana, Shalini, Dikshita, Gayatri, T. Sharon, Shivaramakrishna. Okay, Taruni. Taruni, please check. Yes, it is option 1, that is Lewis dot structure. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following noble gas does not contain 8 electrons in valence shell? Yes. Yes. I'm happy that you people are attentive in the class. Very good. Navneet, please check your answer. Yes, it is option 3. That is helium. It is having only 2 electrons, but it is a stable. It is stable atom. Let us move to the next question. In the Lewis dot structures, cross marks or dot represents. Yes? Yes, I got the first answer, Shivarama Krishna. Yes, correct. Shiva, correct. Veda, Taruni, Sharan. Pavani, please check. Veda, yes. Pranati, Sandeep, Ishwant. Very good. Harshateja, Akhilesh. Yes, yes, you're right. Gayatri, please check your answer. Yes, it is option 2, that is valence electrons around the element representation, right? Noble gases do not involve in chemical bond due to which of the following configuration in valency shell? Noble gases do not involve in chemical bond. Yes. Yes, there you are, students. Very good. Veda, Bhavana. Yes, Pranati, Taruni. Yes, it is option 4. Yes, NS2, NP6. Angel, please check your answer. Gayatri, please check your answer. Yes, Pranati. Yes, Riya Nayak is correct. Yes, let us see the key. Yes, it is option 4. NS2, NP6. Let us move to the next question. The nature of chemical bond was explained by. Nature of chemical bond was explained by. Shiva, option 3. Yes, we will check. Okay, I'm getting different answers, 3 and 2. I'll give you 10 seconds time to answer, for everyone to answer. Whether it's right or wrong, please at least try. We can learn. We can learn from our mistakes. Yes, it is absolutely option 2. Few students have answered. Ishwant, D. Shalini, yes. Pranati, Veda. Very good. Yes, option 2 is right answer. Shiva Ramakrishna. Yes, it is explained by electronic theory of valence. Let us move to the next one. Octet rule relates to. Octet rule relates to radioactivity of atoms, stability of atoms, nature of atoms, state of atoms. So many are saying it as 2. Yes, everyone is saying it as 2. Very good. Yes, we shall see the answer. Yes, it is stability of atoms. It relates to the stability of atoms. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following element does not form molecule? Which of the following element does not form molecule? Yes, Akhilesh, it is not oxygen. Yes, yes, answers are pouring. And everyone is right. Salma, it is not hydrogen. Please check. Yes, absolutely, it is organ. It does not form molecule because it is already stable molecule. Yes. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following element lose one electron to get octet configuration? ఒక టేబుల్ చూపించాను ఇంతకు ముందు. Loses electrons, gains electron. If you have seen it clearly, you can answer this. Yes, yes. Yes, Navneet, please check your answer. Yes, it is right. Veda, Shiva, Mohammed Faisal. Very good. Yes. Riya Nayak, Pavani, Sharon. Bhavana, please check it. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, it is option 1, that is potassium. Okay. It will lose 1 electron to get octet configuration. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following does not contain 8 electrons in the valency shell? Which of the following does not contain 8 electrons in the valency shell? Yes. 10 seconds to answer. Yes, so many are giving me the right answer. Yes, it is option 2, that is sodium. It does not contain 8 electrons in the valency shell. Let us move to the next question. The electrons present in outermost shell is. The electrons present in the outermost shell is. Yes, very good students. Shiva 3, Veda 3, Gayatri 3. Good. Angel, valence electrons. Yes. Yes, D, Shalini, Ishwant. Ishwant, please check your answer. It is not option 4. Yes, it is valence electrons. So electrons present in outermost shell is called valence electron. Let us move to the next question. The number of electrons lost or gained by elements is called. The number of electrons lost or gained by elements is called. Yes. Few are giving me the wrong answers, but maximum students are giving me the right answer. Yes, Navani, please check. Diya Nayak, no, sorry. Pranati, please check. You have to give me only one answer. In the given options, you can't give me the options. Yes, it is option 2, that is valence. The number of electrons lost or gained by elements is called valence. Let us move to the next one. How many electrons are gained by a atom to get stability? Please check it, you are in Akhilesh. Make sure you are in the network area. Yes. Okay. Yes, we will see the key. Yes, that is option 2. So electrons are gained by 2 atoms to get stability. Let us move to the next question. The electrostatic force of attraction between ions is called. Yes, we have moved to the next question. Yes, I got the first answer, Angel. Very good. Yes, Taruni, Shivacharan. Bhavana, please check it. It is not sigma bond. Electrostatic force of attraction between ions. Yes. Yes, so many of you are giving me the right answer. Riya Nayak, Gayatri, Veda, Bhavana. Yes, now you have corrected. Veda. Yes, Shalini, Shivaramakrishna, Pavani. Yes, we will see the key. Yes, it is ionic bond. Option 2. The electrostatic force of attraction between ions is called ionic bond. Let us move to the next one. Ionic bond is also called. Ionic bond is also called. Yes, Veda, you are right. All others, please think. I have shown you the definition. Yes, Bhavana, you're right. Bhavana, you're right. Veda and Bhavana, you both have given me the right answer. Yes, Shalini. Yes, Gayatri. Yes, right answer. Yes. It is all the above. It is all the above. Ionic bond is also called electrovalent, electrostatic, and polar bond. Right? Let us move to the next question. The bond present between metal and non-metal is. This also you can say it easily. No, Riya Nayak, it is not dative. See the question carefully. Yes, Bhavana. Yes, you're right. Veda, you're right. It is not covalent bond. Yes. Veda is right. Angel is right. Pranati. Okay, we shall see for the key after few seconds. Yes, Pavani, Gayatri, Shalini, Shivaramakrishna, Navani, Taruni, Tirupati. Yes. We shall see the answer. Yes, it is option 1, ionic bond. It is present between metal and non-metal. Let us move to the next question. The bond formed between alkali metals and halogen is. Alkali metals and halogen is. Yes. Ishwant, Veda, Shivaramakrishna, very good. Riya Nayak. Very good. It is not 2. Please check your answers. Yes, it is option 1, that is ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed between alkali metals and halogen. Let us move to the next one. Ionic bond is absent in. Yes, ionic bond is absent in. Which of the element doesn't consist ionic bond? Yes. So many are giving me as option 4. We shall see the answer within few seconds. Yes, we shall see the answer. Yes, it is option 4, that is H2O. It is ionic bond is absent in H2O. Let us move to the next question. In the formation of NaCl, which statement is correct? Electrons are shared, electrons are transferred from Cl to Na, none of the above. Yes, I am getting different answers. I'm getting different answers. Yes. Maximum of you are answering it as option 2. Yes, we shall check the answer within few seconds. Yes, it is absolutely option 2. Electrons are transferred. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following metals form ionic bond easily? Which of the following metal form ionic bond easily? Yes, Mohammed Faisal. Yes. Only one person. Yes, D. Shalini. Yes, Veda. Yes, it is Cs. That is cesium. It forms ionic bond easily. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following forms anion easily? Which of the following forms anion easily? I'll give you a few seconds to answer. Yes. Yes, we shall see the answer. It is option 2. Yes, let us see who has answered. Yes, Veda, yes. Only Veda, yes. Agnivesh, very good. It is option 2, that is fluorine. It forms anion easily. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following ionic compound formed easily? Which of the following ionic compound formed easily? Because most of the students are giving me the right answer. Bhavana, yes. Veda, Gayatri, very good. Yes, let us see the answer. It is option 3. Absolutely option 3, that is cesium chloride. Let us move to the next one. The electronic configuration of Mg2 plus is. Electronic configuration of Mg2 plus. So many are saying it as option 3. Yes, we will check the answer within few seconds. Within few seconds, we will check the answer. Yes, it is option 3. Absolutely right answer. 2,8. Which of the following is not correct for ionic compounds? Which of the following is not correct for ionic compounds? Yes, Jessica, Veda, Shalini. Yes. Only few students have given me the right answer. Pavani, this Gayatri, Dikshita. Yes, it is option 2. So conduct electricity in solid state. This is not correct because in ionic compounds, they cannot conduct electricity as their ions are held in fixed positions and they cannot move. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is favorable condition for formation of anion? For anion, think, think and answer. For anion, yes. Agnivesh, you are right. D. Shalini, yes. Yes, Veda, you're right. Navneet, you're right. We shall check the answer within few seconds. Yes, Vishwant, Bhavana. Yes, we will check the answer. Yes, it is option 3. That is high electronegativity is a favorable condition for the formation of anion. It is not 1. It is option 3. Let us move to the next question. The electronegativity of element A and B is 1 and 3 respectively. The nature of bond between A and B is. I'm getting different answers. Most of the students have given me the option as 2. Yes, Vaishu, maybe I have missed. That's okay, but I'm observing your answers. Yes, it is option 2. Option 2 is absolutely right. It is ionic bond. Let us move to the next question. Ionic bond is formed by loss of electrons, gain of electrons, both 1 and 2, sharing of electrons. So many are giving me as option 3. We will check it. Yes, it is absolutely right, students. Option 3 is right answer. Yes, Veda, D. Shalini, Preetika, Navani, Taruni, Riya Nayak, Gayatri, Akhilesh, Shivaram Krishna, Harshateja, Salma, Bhavana, Angel. Very good. It is option 3. Ionic bond is formed by lose and gain of electrons. Vaishu, but I am not getting your answers. You can direct to Chandrika, Jet Chandrika Vaye. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Ionic compounds are stable in. Ionic compounds are Ionic compounds are soluble in. Yes, so many are giving me as option 1. Whoever is saying option 3, please just check. 3 and 2, please just check. Yes. Yes, very good. We'll see the answer within few seconds. Yes, it is option 1. That is polar solvents. Ionic compounds are soluble in polar solvents. Let us move to the next question. Melting point of NaCl is. This is the last that we have revised in the theoretical, a table, right? Melting point of NaCl is. In that you will be able to see this. Yes, Veda, you are right. Veda, Shalini, Vaishu, you are right. Yes, Bhavana. Pavani, please check. Akhilesh. Yes. So we'll see the answer within few seconds. Yes, it is option 2, that is 801 degrees Celsius. So melting point of NaCl is 801 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is a property of ionic compounds? Which of the following is a property of ionic compounds? Yes. Which of the following is a property of ionic compounds? I'm getting different answers. We shall see the key. Within few seconds, I will reveal the key. Yes, it is option 4, all the above. You're right, students. It is option 4, all the above. Veda, G, Shashank, Bhavana, Ishwan, Gayatri. Very good. Let us move to the next question. The maximum number of oppositely charged ions around a given ion in crystal is called. Yes. The maximum number of oppositely charged ions around a given ion in crystal is called. Yes, very good, Veda. Vaishu, please check your answer. Yes, Salma, D. Shalini, Preetika. Vishwant, please check. Akhilesh, please check. Bhavana, yes, you're right. Preetika, yes, you're right. Yes, maximum students are giving me the right answers. But please, everyone answer. I am seeing only few names. Few students are answering. Everyone, please try. Excuse me. Yes, it is option 1, that is coordination number. The maximum number of oppositely charged ions around a given ion in crystal is called coordination number. Let us move to the next one. The coordination number of Na plus in NaCl is. Coordination number of Na plus in NaCl is. Yes, I got the right answer by Pavani. Yes. Yes, Ishwant. Yes, Veda, you're right. Yes, Bhavana. Bhavana, please check. Yes, Mohammed Faisal, you're right. Yes, here is the key. Option 2 is absolutely right. So the coordination number of Na plus in NaCl is 6 and also Cl minus. For Cl minus also it is 6. Okay, please remember. Let us move to the next question. The structure of NaCl crystal is. Yes, please check at your end, Preetika. I think only you are facing the issue. Please check at your end. The structure of NaCl crystal is. Yes, so many are giving me the option 2. Why sure it is not option 3? Please check. Yes, T. Sharon, D. Shalini, Harshateja. Srinidhi, please check. Gayatri, Bhavana. Yes, let us see the key. It is option 2, face-centered cubic lattice. The structure of NaCl crystal is face-centered cubic lattice. Let us move to the next one. NaCl contains NaCl units, randomly arranged ions, orderly arranged ion, NaCl molecule. Yes, make it fast, students. We are also having another class. Maths class we are having. We have maths class. After this, we have maths class. So please be fast. As I'm getting different answers for this question, we shall check. Yes, it is option 3, orderly arranged ion. Yes, you will get the attendance form, Mohammed Faisal. Yes, Veda. Yes, we will share attendance form within short time. Okay. Yes, let us see who have answered. Yes, Bhavana. Yes, it is option 3. Good. Shashank, Harshateja, Veda, Jnaneshwar. Yes, it is option 3. Whatever you answered was right. Let us move to the next question. Formation of ionic bond was explained by. Ionic bond, covalent bond. Ionic bond was explained by. Yes, most of you are giving me the right answer. Very good. Harshateja, please check. Please check. I have mentioned it 2 times when we were revising. Pavani, please check. Yes, it is option 3. Causal. Ionic bond formation was explained by causal. Yes, covalent bond by Lewis. Okay. Let us move to the next question. Covalent bond was explained by. Just now I have revealed the answer. You can be quick to answer. Yes. Answers are pouring. Sandeep, please check. Just now I have said. Geeta Devi, please check your answer. Yes, it is option 2, Lewis. Let us move to the next one. Bond formed by mutual sharing electrons is called. Bond formed by mutual sharing electrons is called. Yes. Why should it is not metallic bond? Yes, Bhavana, you're right. Gagan Mohan, Veda, Harshateja, Shivaramakrishna, Swapna, Ishwant, it is not 4. Mohammed Faisal, it is not 2. Electrovalent bond means ionic bond only. Yes, it is option 1. Bond formed by mutual sharing electrons is called covalent bond. Let us move to the next question. Number of electrons given by an atom of element in the formation of covalent bond is equal to number of electrons given by an atom of element in the formation of covalent bond is equal to. So I'm getting different answers, 1 and 2. Some are saying it as 1 and 2. I will give you few seconds to answer. 10 seconds to answer. Please everyone try, everyone try. I'm getting the repeated names. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Yes, now we will see the answer. Yes, it is option 3. Electrons required to get octet configuration is equal to the electrons required to get octet configuration. D. Shalini Dikshita gave me the right answer. Yes, Bhavana, Pritika, Pavani, Shalini, Harshateja. Very good. Option 3 is the right answer, students. Electrons required to get octet configuration. Let us move to the next one. Non-metal mainly forms. Non-metal mainly forms. Yes, so many are giving me as option 2. Ten seconds to answer. 5 seconds. Yes, we will see the key. Yes, absolutely right answer. It is covalent bond. Pritika, Veda, yes, Vaishu, Angel, Shalini, Ishwan, Agnivesh, G. Shashank. Very good. It is covalent bond. Let us move to the next one. In which of the following pi bond is absent? Be quick, students. We have maths class next. Pi bond is absent. Which of the following pi bond is absent? Yes, so many are giving me the option 4. Answering it as 4. We shall check it. Yes, it is option 4. That is Cl2. In Cl2, pi bond is absent. Let us move to the next question. Number of electron pair shared with formation of N2 molecule. Number of electron pair shared with formation of N2 molecule. Ten seconds to answer. Yes, we will see. Sorry. Yes, it is option 3. That is 3 electron pairs shared with the formation of N2 molecule. Let us move to the next one. Pi bond is formed by. Pi bond is formed by. Yes, Veda, you're right. Shalini, you're right. I'm getting different answers. Few of them are right. Bhavana, Harshateja. Very good. 10 seconds to answer. 5 seconds. Yes, I'm going to reveal the key. It is option 1. Pi bond is formed by lateral overlapping of pure orbitals. Let us move to the next one. Shape of BeCl2 is. Shape of BeCl2. Yes, BeCl2. I'm getting different answers. 10 seconds to answer. 5 seconds. Yes. It is option 2, linear. Shape of BeCl2 is linear, and few students have answered. Bhavana, Siddhartha, yes, Mitra Teja, yes, Gagan Mohan, Shalini. Very good. Option 2 is the right answer. And the coming to the bond angle between them, it is 180 degrees. Okay, let us move to the next question. Which of the electron pairs causes more repulsion? Which of the electron pairs causes more repulsion? Yes, so many are giving me the answer as 1. Yes, it is absolutely right, students. Very good. Option 1 is the right answer. Lone pair repulsion causes more. Right. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following does not certain octet? Which of the following does not contain octet? So many are giving me as option 3. We shall check the answer within 5 seconds. 5 seconds to answer. Yes, I'll go with the key. Yes, it is option 3, that is BF3. It does not contain octet. Next one, hybridization in H2O is. H2O hybridization. Ten seconds to answer. Five seconds to answer. Let us go with the key. Yes, it is option 3. Very good. Santosh, Nitik, Preetika, Veda. Yes, very good. Taruni, Bhavana, Shalini, Dikshita, Mohammed Faisal. Very good. Gagan Mohan, Srinivasa Pittala. Yes, very good. It is SP3. Let us move to the next one. Okay. With this, physics class is completed. Now we will move to maths class. Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, very good evening, ma'am.
You can continue, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Very good evening, students. Hope you all enjoyed your science. With the same spirit, let's move on to mathematics. All right. So today we are going to do coordinate geometry. Just give me 1 second time. Let me share the screen. All right. So before we move on to the sums, I quickly wanted to revise the formulas. All right. Yes. All right, students. So these are the formulas for the coordinate geometry. So see the screen and note down if anything new for you is done. All right. So very important one is the distance between 2 points x1, x1, y1 and x2, y2 on a line parallel to x-axis is mod of x2 minus x1. All right. The distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x1, y2 on a line parallel to y-axis is mod of y2 minus y1. The distance of point P of x comma y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. All right. And very important formula where we'll be using in most of the places only this. All right. Which one? This. The distance formula. All right, students. So what is the distance formula between the 2 points? The 2 points we are taking it as P and Q, and for P it is x1, y1. For Q it is x2, y2. So the distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. All right. Yes. Sorry, the indicator was there. I didn't know. All right. See the next one. The coordinates of the point P of x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to y, m2 r. This is a formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1, comma, by m1 plus m2, comma, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, right? And yet another very important formula that everything is important, but here important, very often we will be using these formulas. That is a midpoint formula, distance formula, then centroid formula, all that. All right. So for midpoint, when 2 points are given x1, y1, x2, y2. So how do you find out the midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. All right. And here comes everybody's favorite, the centroid of a triangle. All right. So what do you mean by centroid of a triangle? See, if a triangle is given, 3 points will be given. x1, x2, x3. So how do you find out the middle point? Yes, just a second. Just a second. All right. So how do you find out the midpoint of all the three? That is x1, x2, x3, all the 3 points. So what do you do? The formulas here, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So here we can take this as A, B, C. All right. So for A, you will have, say, x1, y1. For B, you will have x2, y2. For C, you will have x3, y3. All right. So how do you find out the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Comma, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, where x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle. All right. So I'm sure this would be a great brush up of formulas for you all. And the next one, the point that divides each median of a triangle in the ratio 2:1 is the centroid. All right. So what is median here? This is a median. This is a median. This is a median. All right. Yes, fine. See the next one. The area of the triangle formed by the points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the formula area is equal to half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. All right. So how do you remember this formula? There is one very simple technique is there. Always have this number 1, 2, 3. So when I'm taking x1, right, next y2 minus y3 plus when I'm taking x2, y3 minus y1. When I'm taking x3, y1 minus y2. So the number will be like this 1, 2, 3. Next, if I start with 1, 2, 3. If I start with 2, it is 3, 1. If I start with 3, it is 1, 2. All right, next. What is the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle, you can find it out. It is given by Heron's formula. The formula is A is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C by 2. All right, where A, comma B, comma C are 3 sides of triangle ABC. Next is slope. This is also very important. Often you will get questions based on this. Slope of the line containing the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where x1 is not equal to x2. All right. So let's quickly move on to the sums. Let me share another PPT. Just a second. All right. So from current slide. Yes, you all are ready, students? Quickly give one yes in the chat box so that I can also. Yes, very good evening. Sorry, only now I'm seeing the chat box. Very good evening, students, to all who have wished me and even to other students who have not wished me. All right. Thank you. All have put okay. We are ready. All right, fine. See the first question. The point on y-axis is. Being the first question, it will be done by us. One thing I again want to remind you, when you have a point on y-axis, then what would be x? X would be 0. Is it clear? And if it's a point on x-axis, then y would be 0. Always don't forget that. If it's a point on x-axis, y will be 0. If it's a point on y-axis, x will be 0. All right? Yes. See the next one. The distance of the point x comma y from 0 comma 0 is dash. Yes. So can I have the answer? Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Quickly answer, students, because you don't have to work out anything in this. Let's see how many are giving me the answers. Okay. Let me see the chat box. Yes, many are giving me the option as 1. That's perfect. No two ways about it. The option is 1 only. Root of x square plus y square. Just now we saw the formula also. See the next one. A point on the x-axis is of the form dash. I gave you the concept just now. If it's a point on x-axis, then what would be y? All right, let me see the chat box. How many are giving me the answer? Yes. I'm very happy. All of you are attentive. Gayatri, yes, Gayatri gave me wrong answer. Then she again changed and gave me the right answer. All right. Everyone, I cannot read the names because your names are literally running and all are giving me option 2 only as a right answer, which is absolutely right. Perfect. Let's move on to the next question. The slope of the points 4, 6, 2, minus 5 is. Give me the answer very quickly. For others, I'm just doing the sum. Oh, it's already been done by me. See, if you see the screen, what is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we are assuming 4, 6. 4 as x1, 6 as y1, 2 as x2 and minus 5 is y2. It's not assuming, the points are like that. Okay. So when you have a coordinate that is 4, 6, it means one is x, the other one is y, isn't it? Just substitute this into that formula y2 minus y1. That is minus 5 minus 6 by 2 minus 4, which will give us minus 11 by 2. And cancelling the minus, we will get 11 by 2. All right, let's see the answer. Yes, perfect. So it is option 4. Let's see how many are giving me. Yes, almost all are giving me option 4 is the right answer. Perfect. Again, I don't have to read the names. Everybody is giving me the right answers. Excellent. Good going with this. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is this. AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices are A of 4, 0, B of 0, 3, and O of 0, 0. Then what is the diagonal? All right. So here, I just wanted to show you the figure and then explain. All right. So see the question. The diagonal is here. So we are taking x is 4, 0, b is 0, 3. So for this, we will be using the distance formula, isn't it? So what is the distance formula? y2 minus y1. Root of y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. All right. So you have 2 points. What are the 2 points here? 4, 0. I mean 0, 3, 4, 0. That you just substitute in this formula. So what is y2? 0. What is y1? 3. What is x2? 4. What is x1? 0. So root of 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square, which is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square, which is root of 24 will give us 5. Root of 25 will give us 5. All right? Yes. So I'm sure all of you would have understood this. Let's move on to the next question. The condition for ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 to represent a line always is dash. Yes, quickly give me the answer. So I've just explained the slope. All right. So your time already started. There's nothing to work out for you here, but I just wanted to explain this. See, students, the slope formula is y is equal to mx plus c. So you have this equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So bring that here in the form of this y is equal to mx plus c. So just look at the board, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now you want y. So by is equal to minus c minus ax. So we want only y because the formula is only y is equal to mx plus c. So what is y? Y is equal to minus c by b minus a by bx. Right? So now what should be this? This should be m. Is it clear? Yes. Now see here. With this, we can find out, we can say that m is equal to minus a by b. Right? And the question is the condition for this to represent a line always is what? Right? So can we say, is it equal to 0 or it's not equal to 0? So when we find out, the slope, are we getting the slope as 0? No. Right? So let me explain this fully. So we are not getting the slope as 0. So it is mod a plus mod b, which is, it is not equal to 0. All right? Yes. See the next question. The perimeter of a triangle whose vertices are a of 12, 0, O of 0, 0, and B of 0, 5 is dash. So we always know perimeter is nothing but on the sides, right? So here, sorry, the diagram was done in an not properly. See here, others please quickly find out and tell me the answer. Put your answers in the chat box. Let me explain here. A is 12, 0. All right. So here it is O, isn't it? So O is 0, 0. Right? So B is 0, 5. All right? Yes. Fine. So now we are taking this as X. You can take anything as X. And we are taking this as Y. So and this as Z. So find out the distance between A and O, that is Y. Find out the distance between A and Z, that is X. And find out the distance between O and this. Okay, let's take this as small as z. So find out y, x, z or x, y, z, add it. So you will get the perimeter. All right. So the distance formula also I have written it for you. That is root of, I don't know whether it is seen properly. Root of y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus x1 the whole square. Let's see how many are giving me the answer because this really requires time. I'm sure about this. Let's see how many are giving me the answers. Your time is running, already started. Let's see if anybody is able to make out. Yes, Veda, you're right. Dikshita, you're right. Bhavana has given me. Navneet has given me the answer. Mitra, you're check. Shalini, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me the answer as option 2, which is 30. Perfect. All right, students. So those who have not worked out, please quickly, you would have taken down the question, isn't it? Take out the question and then you work out after the class is done. All right, with this, we are moving on to the next question. X is greater than 0. Y is greater than 0. Then x comma y belongs to what? X comma y belongs to? So usually we say Q for quartile, isn't it? Right? So here, let me give you the answer. It belongs to Q1. All right. See the next question. The distance of the point Minus 8, comma 3 from the origin is dash. Distance formula, you all know, isn't it? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So quickly, and the origin means 0, comma 0. That's why I have written 0, comma 0. Then the point is minus 8, comma 3. Yes. Quickly give me the answer. How many are going to give me the answer? Let's see. Okay, the answer is very, very, very simple. It will take less than 30 seconds for you. Because from origin, if you have numbers, probably you need your addition or subtraction. Here, numbers are also not there. All right, I've given you the clue. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Shalini, Bhavna, yes, Gayatri, Veda. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer. Perfect. See, here the answer is root of 73. Perfect. Excellent. See the next question. The centroid of the triangle, whose sides are given by x is 0, y is 0, and x plus y is equal to 6 is dash. All right. So when x plus y is equal to 6, then what is the formula for the slope? Y is equal to mx plus c. So find out what is m. Right. So that's supposed to be the slope. And here you have the coordinates as 0, comma 0. All right. Yes. Let's see how many are going to give me the answers. Quickly. Maximum I wanted to do sums today so that it will be a good revision for you all. Is it option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4? I think I can quickly check the chat. Yes, Gayatri, you're right. Taruni, you're right. Shashank, you're right. Shalini, you're right. Yes. Almost Bhavana, you're right. All are giving me the right answer is option 2, 2, comma 2. Good, fine. See the next question. The distance between the points a cos theta, comma 0, 0, comma a sin theta is dash. All right. So this does not require any calculations. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Is it option 1, 2, 3 or 4? Akhilesh, Preetika, Shivarama Krishna, Dikshika, Navneet, Gayatri. Shashank, you're right. I have a doubt how everybody is saying 0. No, it is option 1. That is modulus of A. All right. So the distance is, what you have to do, you have to just calculate the distance, students. You have a formula, isn't it? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is a distance formula. Please calculate and then find out the answer. All right, let's move on to the next question. So those who have made mistakes, please rectify your mistakes. And on top of it, you have any doubts, please. Always we are welcoming you. Please WhatsApp to our number 96422152227. We'll get back to you regarding all your queries. All right, see the next question. Slope of the line 3y is equal to 2x. Give me the answer. I don't have to give you time at all, but still, since I'm explaining, I'm giving you time. Slope formula is y is equal to mx plus c. So bring out this formula. 3y is equal to 2x. So what is y? 2 by 3x. So your constant is supposed to be 0. So now we are not worried about the constant. We are worried about only your m, because m is slope. All right, let's see the answer. Yes, it is 2 by 3. How many are giving me the option 2? Agnivesh, Santosh, Preetika, Gayatri, Dikshika, Riya Naik, Akhilesh. All right, almost all. Veda. Good. Almost all are giving me the answers. The names are literally running. I'm not able to read all the names. Perfect. It is option 2, 2 by 3. All right, let's see the next question. The slope of the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 5, 3 is dash. Yes, please quickly work it out and give me the answers. For others, let me work it out. and give you the answer. It is x1, x2, y1, y2, right? Sorry, x1, y1, x2, y2. Just a second. Let me use the eraser where I can use it, isn't it? All right, all right, all right. All right, x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 4 by 5 minus 3 is 2. So answer should be 2, the slope formula. Okay. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here y2 is 3. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. Okay, that is how your answer is 2. Let's check whether the answer is 2. Yes, perfect. Let me check the chat box whether answer 3 is given by all. Perfect, perfect. I'm not able to read all the names. Almost all the names are running. Good, excellent students. Perfect. With this, we are moving on to the next question. The slope of the line x by a plus y by b is 1 is dash. What is the slope? Yes. So x by a plus y by b is 1. So if you are remembering our earlier classes, probably you will be able to give me the answer. Let's see. Riya, Nayak, Shalini, Gayatri. Yes, Shalini, Gayatri, you're right. Preetika, Bhavana, Akhilesh, Vishwant, Navneet, Shashank, Santosh. Oh my God, I'm not able to read all names. Yes, perfect. It is option 4. It is minus b by a, right? Good. See the next question. X less than 0, y less than 0. Then x comma y belongs to what? It belongs to what? Let's see whether you're able to give me the answer. Okay, let me check the chat box. Mitra, Teja, you're right. Akhilesh, you're right. Yes, Riya, Nayak, you're right. Veda, you're right. Almost all are giving me the right answers, students. Perfect. Just a second. I'm just... It is option 4, Q3. All right. See the next question. The points minus 3, 0, 0, 5, and 3, 0 are the vertices of a dash triangle. All right. Is it the vertices of a scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, or a right-angled triangle? Quickly think over it and give me the answer. The points, 3 points are given. Right? So does it belong to scalene, isosceles, equilateral, right-angled? Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Yes, Akhilesh, Veda. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer is option 2, which is the isosceles triangle. Perfect. See the next question. Equation of y-axis is what? Is it x is equal to k, or y is equal to k, or x is equal to y, or x is equal to 0? Yes, very simple question. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Santosh, Akhilesh. All right, almost all are giving me option 4 is the correct answer. Perfect. Right? So we cannot keep on sticking on to one question, students. So I'm going little fast. See the next question. If the distance between the points 4, y and 1, 1 is 5, then what is y? Quickly work out others and give me the answer. I'm giving you 40 seconds. Right? So distance formula, you know, x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the distance formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. But the answer is given as 5. So minus y by minus 3 is 5. I'm cancelling y. So y is equal to 15. Right? So once again, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. All right. Yes. So minus y by 3, y is equal to 15. Yes. But option 15 is not given. So just take down as y is equal to 15. Let's see the answer. What is it you all got? Oh, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. But right. Fine. So this is the slope formula. So we are supposed to use the distance formula, isn't it? Distance formula is y2 minus y1, the whole square, plus x2 minus x1, the whole square, whole root of. Right. So, right. So now let us use 0 minus y, the whole square, plus x1 minus x2, the whole square. So the answer given here is 5. Right. So with that, you will get the answer for y, the value of y to be yes. Because when we take out of the root, it would be plus or minus 4. Right? Fine. Yes. Let me see how many are giving me the right answer as 3. Yes, almost all. Yes, students. So you all are swift enough in applying the correct formula, which is the distance formula. By mistake, I applied the slope formula. All right, good students. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. The coordinates of a point R that divides line joining P of 3, 2 and Q 6, minus 1 internally in the ratio 1:2 is dash. Right? So you have to use the coordinates of a point R, that formula. Right? So where you have internally, externally, mx2 plus mx1, right? mx2 plus nx1 by m comma, right? That formula you need to use and then give me the answer. All right, quickly work it out and give me the answer. By then, internally and externally, isn't it? Yes. mx2 plus nx1 by m comma mx1 plus nx1. Just a second. Just a second. We have a formula ready-made here. Let me share so that we can do it properly. Yes, here is the formula. m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. All right. So use this formula and quickly give me the answer. Okay. So we were in this. Let's see how many are giving me the right answers. Yes. All right. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Option 3, Riya Naik, you're right. Akhilesh, please check your answer. Agnivesh, you're right. Yes, perfect. So the correct answer is minus 1, 6. All right. So those who have not got the answer, please work it out in detail and then quickly check your answer. All right. Any doubts? Please come back to us. See the next question. A circle is drawn with origin as center and passing through 2, 3. Then its radius is dash. All right. So you have a point, right? That is 2, 3 and with origin as a center. So what do you mean by origin as a center? Just a second. Yes, origin as a center means 0, 0. All right. Yes. Now you have to find out the radius, right? So quickly do it and give me the answer. How many are able to give me the answer? Let's see. This does not require much calculation at all. All right, let me check the chat box. Yes, it is option 4. Good, Shalini, Akhilesh, Riya Naik, Navneet, Deekshita. All right. Many are giving me option 4 as answer, which is correct. See the next question. The slope of a line is -2/3. Then the slope of the line parallel to is dash. What is it? Is it option 1, 1/2, 1/3, -2/3, or it is 2? Let's quickly check the answer. This does not require any calculation at all. The parallel will also be the same, isn't it? Let's see. Yes, option 3. Many have given me option 3 as the right answer. Perfect. See the next question. X-intercept of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right? So what is the x-intercept for this? The option is already highlighted. It is minus c/a. See the next question. If the points x, 0, 0, y and 1, 1 are collinear, then 1 plus x by 1, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to dash. What is it? It is option 1, that is 1. All right. Right. So see the next question. The point which divides the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and 7, -6 internally in the ratio 1:2 lies in the dash quadrant. So internally, and that too 1:2 means it should be the first quadrant, isn't it? Yes, it is. So quadrant Q1. All right. See the next question. The points A, 2A, 3A, 3A, 3, 1 are collinear. Then what is K? Yes. So quickly find out the answer for K and give me the solution for K and put it in the chat box. Let's see how many are able to give me the answer. All right. So the points A, 2A, 3A, 3A and 3, 1 are collinear. Then what is K? All right. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Veda, you're right. Akhilesh, Navneet. All right. Many more are trying to give me the answer. Let's quickly check. It is option 4, -1/3. All right. See the next question. A circle drawn with origin as center passes through 13/2, 0. The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle is dash. All right. So you know the interior and exterior formula, isn't it? So using that, quickly work it out and give me the answer. I'm giving you 35 seconds. Quickly work out and give me the answer. So I don't think, again, the revision of formula is required here. Okay, Akhilesh, work it out and give me your answer. Veda, you're right. It takes time because formula has to be applied. Bhavna, check your answer. This. Okay. Yes. All right. See, let's see the answer. It is option 1, -6, 3. Perfect. See the next question. If minus 2, 8 and 6, minus 4 are the end points of the diameter of a circle, then the center of the circle is dash. All right. So is it option 1, 3, 6, option 2, 4, 2, option 3, 2, 2, or is it option 3, minus 3, 2? Let's see how many are able to give me the answer. What is the center of the circle? Okay. Okay, let's see the answer. It is option 3, 2, 2. All right, see the next question. The angle between x-axis and y-axis is dash. It's very simple. Let me see how many are able to give me the right answer for this. One second. Please fill up the attendance form, students. The link is given in the chat box. Yes, it is option 4. Perfect. It is right. But before that, quickly fill up the attendance form. The link is given in the chat box. It is right. Everybody is giving me option 4 as a right answer. You all are doing great. Excellent. Perfect. All right. See the next one. It is option 4. And see the next question. X by 2a plus y by 2a is equal to 1. Passing through the point 1, minus 3, then the value of a is dash. Yes, let's see how many are able to give me the answer. It is passing through the point 1, minus 3. Okay. Yes. I'm sure many of you would have done this now. Let's see how many are giving me option 1 as the right answer. Akhilesh. Yes. Now you're right, Akhilesh. All right. 1 second. All right, it is option 1, correct. See the next one. The slope of the line passing through C by T1, CT1 and C by T2, CT2 is dash. So apply the slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and give me the answer. Let's see how many are able to. It takes time, I understand. Work it out and then give me the answer. Okay. Oh, you people are very swift enough in giving me the answer. Veda, Bhavna. Bhavna, please check your answer. Yes, Veda, you're right. Perfect. All right, Bhavna. Akhilesh. All right. Yes, let's quickly go through the answer. It is option 2. All right, see the next question. If the points A2 square, AT2 square, 2AT1, AT2 square, 2AT2 and A, 0 are collinear. That is, it lies on the same line. Then what is T1, T2? Yes. What is T1, T2? Let's see how many are able to answer this question. It's very simple. Okay. Many says, yes, it is 1. All right. It is 1. Perfect. Just a second. All right. Yes. Let's see the answer. It is minus 1. Perfect. See the next question. If minus 2, minus 1, A, 0, 4, B, and 1, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, then what is A, B? All right. So how do you do this. Yes, let me quickly do it and show you at least the formula so that you all will be able to do it. So this is a parallelogram. Okay, we are taking A, B, C, D as two sides. So let's any sides you can take this. Okay, B, your C is 4 comma B, then your D is minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. So these are the vertices of the parallelogram. Then now you need to find out the AB. Okay, the value of A, the value of B. So you can easily do it by using the slope formula. All right. Yes. So now let's see how many are able to do this and give me the answer. Dikshita, Akhilesh, Jessica. All right. Veda. All right. How about other students? Please, everybody work out. It's a simple question, isn't it? So I'm sure you all will be able to do it. And please don't forget to, yes, don't forget to fill the attendance form. All right, with this we'll close. Let's see the answer for this. It is option 1, 1 comma 3. All right. Excellent students for very excellent answers. Many were able to give me the right answers, but those who have not done, please again go through the formulas and be very clear with the concepts. All right. Yes. So with this, I close Max and let me hand it over to Chandrika. And one important thing that I wanted to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, and tell your friends to subscribe also. And you have any doubt, or your friends or your relatives or your friends have any doubt, let them contact our WhatsApp number 9642215227. Thank you. And let me hand it over to Chandrika ma'am. Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, I hope all of you have understood maths class. And yes, soon we are going to start the bridge course, so which will help you in the advanced level for IIT, JEE and NEET. So don't miss the opportunity. Please do attend for that classes also. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp to 96422152226. Also inform your friends about this bridge course. And again, tomorrow we will meet at 7:30 p.m. Bye everyone. Bye everyone, and take a second and subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology.